So I've been working with this fan relay a little bit. I drew the circuit out and figured out how it all works together, and it's quite a interesting little circuit. I have one meter that's monitoring the thermal sensor input, that's in kiloohms, and I have one meter that's monitoring the voltage in the timer circuit on the fan relay. And so this is all initiated when the ignition switch goes hot, and it just, there you go, and you see the light bulb came on, and this little relay on the side here picks up, and that seals in and provides control power for the circuit while it's running. And since I had the thermal sensor set for it to be on, this big relay picked up also. And so that is what is powering the light bulb, or would be providing power to the fan if it was in the truck. So this thing is supposed to cycle the fan on, according to the book, between 2 and 3.8 kiloohms. And so I have my meter set up. I'm monitoring the dead side of the pot, and that's what you're seeing there. And I can turn it off. So there's that fan cycled off. I hope you can see the meter there. So it came on at about 6.5. So if you subtract that from 10K, that's 3.5K. So that's between 2 and 3.8. And so that's in spec for this particular board. The timer circuit, which operates independently, is supposed to run according to the book for 23 to 37 minutes. So I timed this one before, and I know it times out at roughly 24 minutes, so that's in spec as well. This circuit starts off by initially charging that capacitor right there, and it discharges the capacitor, and then this Toshiba T2333 integrated circuit swaps the circuit around and starts charging that capacitor, and when it gets up to about 8.5 volts, it trips the fan off. And you can see I'm monitoring that voltage there, and it's still discharging in the first half of the cycle. So this one's in spec. Interesting circuit. Moving on to the next one.